Relocating a bath fan switch closer to the doorway improves usability and brings the control to the most logical entry point. Start by turning off power at the breaker and verifying the circuit is dead with a non-contact tester and a plug-in tester if needed. Trace the existing circuit to determine whether the fan is fed through the switch or whether the switch controls a downstream fixture, because that affects where you can splice. If the switch is being moved a short distance within the same wall cavity, you can often move the junction box by cutting a rectangular opening, loosening the cable clamps, pulling the cable through to the new location, and refastening the box to a stud or with remodel box wings. For longer relocations, you will need to run new cable from the original splice location to the new switch location by fishing through the cavity or by creating small access holes and using a fish tape or pull string. Keep cable runs neat and avoid sharp bends and nail plates where the cable passes near studs. Use a properly sized single gang box rated for the wall type and set it flush with the finished wall surface. If you must mount to metal or masonry, use appropriate box types and anchors. When making splices, use wire nuts sized for the conductor count and lengthen pigtails so they comfortably reach the device terminals, and always fold the conductors into the box to maintain the required free conductor length for the box volume calculation. 3 common mistakes are failing to de-energize the circuit, then assuming it was off, which risks shock and can be avoided by shutting off the breaker and verifying with a tester before touching anything. Another is not accounting for box fill volume when adding a pigtail or additional conductors, which can create a code violation and clutter. Calculate box fill using conductor equivalents and choose a larger box if needed. A third issue is damaging surrounding drywall or creating overly large openings while fishing cable, which makes finishing difficult. Instead, cut neat openings, use a fish tape and lubricant, and patch with a drywall backing clip or small cleat so the repair is minimal and easy to tape and mud. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and provide tools to post project details and get responses. Our site also connects contractors with work and hosts a discussion community where we and other members share tips and experiences about wiring, relocation, and other home improvements.